Whew. I'll tell you what, this box is heavier than I expected. That's for sure. So there's number one on the review. But this actually isn't a review video. This is an unboxing of the Evolution S380CPS metal cutting saw. Let's open it up. Wonder what that is. Saw blade. Ooh! Dang, that thing is big. Gonna have to get on top for this one. Ooh, there it is. Oh, this might be a short unboxing video because it's not a whole lot in the box. But let's get the saw blade on. Initial thoughts before putting the blade on and using it. Just pulling it out of the box and feeling some of the components, this thing feels really tough. Feels tough and well made. All right, open. There's gotta be some kind of a lock back here. Is it the button? Hey! So you pull out on that to get it to open. Let's close it again. There you go, easy. This thing says that it comes with all the tools you need, which I think is just this right here. I think these are all the tools that you need to operate this. Let's get this off. We'll call that the blade tensioner bolt. Blade bolt. Let's just call it a blade bolt. And it looks like it came with 2 extra of these things. No, these ones are bigger. I don't know why it came with bigger ones and smaller ones. That's worth a Google. If you know why, let me know in the comment section below. So it comes with a 14-inch blade, but it can accept up to a 15-inch. Which way does this go on? Oh, there's an arrow. It goes that way. I wonder if there's a lock for that. Oh, no? That's okay. There you go. Let that close. Stick this back on there. Lock it back down. And I think it looks like there's a safety on the back, or I guess a blade lock or a motor lock. Because if I try to torque it, it spins. But if I push this button, locks. There you go. Just push that button on the back and you'll be able to tighten that down good. See if you can tell me what these are for in the comments before I find it in the user manual. Oh good, the instructions cover everything except these 2 pieces. So it seems. Is it a cat's tray or something? This is for round stuff. If you're cutting a tube, I knew that too. This goes on, stick your round on there and it'll actually grab it. It looks like it has a little twist lock onto something. Does it go on the back? Ooh, I think I found it. It's a cat's tray. It is a cat's tray, just like I thought. And as expected, it's the same size as this. All right, here we go. That slides in. Oh, it's spring-loaded. Cool. I said this already. While this stuff is plastic, it feels like good, strong, tough plastic. It doesn't feel like something you're gonna tighten down and snap off like something you get from a budget saw. You can move this back plate by unbolting the set bolt right here where it pivots on. Let's actually do that. Let's take it off. You can tighten that down real tight and it doesn't actually tighten down this backing plate. I had an issue on the DeWalt saw where you tighten this one down too much and then you had a hard time pivoting, so that was no fun. Well, I can't give you my thoughts about this saw or first impression without cutting some steel, so let's throw a piece in there and see how this thing cuts. But first, gotta get our gear on. Oh, all right, let's plug this thing in, give it a go. Let's see here, who's gonna be the lucky piece? 2.5 by 2.5, cut a little sliver off. Wow, nice clean cut. And that went through the steel like hot butter. I'll tell you what though, I know that these things are loud when they cut, so I always Put ear protection on because I'd like to be able to hear when I get old. Why did I buy this saw? Well, you can see behind me this Harbor Freight trailer that I'm going to start a conversion on tomorrow, turning it into an overland build. The idea of cutting all the steel for that project by hand with an angle grinder just made my wrist and arm hurt thinking about it. So this will help speed up the process a lot. Through all the research I did, this compared to the DeWalt Makita, all the ones that you see on the review sites and videos, this one seemed like the right price for quality and features and everything. And there was a couple funky things I didn't really like about the DeWalt that seems like this fixed. So far impressed. I don't plan on installing it permanently in the bench since I'm working mostly outside and don't have space in the garage for work. If there's anything else you want to know about this tool, or if you feel like there's anything I missed, let me know in the comment section below. I do my best to reply to everybody. Thank you all again so much for watching. I'm really excited to be cutting some steel with this thing and excited for you guys to all be on the journey with me. Thanks again for stopping by Dylan's Garage. I'll see you in the next one.